please ignore my hair. My hair is just messy right now. I just took a shower and now we're going to do a mini haul of what I got. And yeah, I'm going to show you this, and then I'm going to just relax and chill because I'm super tired. Because you know, if you live in Mauritius, you've been to Port Louis, you know what it is. Okay, so here we have 2 shorts, and then this you guys, I'm not going to show you now. That is going to be revealed on my Instagram as an Instagram post. This is my outfit for New Year. So here you have the shoes and the outfit. So this I'm not going to show you now. So if you want to see it, you can follow me on my Instagram there. And then here we have a power bank. I really needed one, especially I realized its importance when I went to Phuket Island and I ran out of battery there, and I had to take my cousin's power bank to save a few battery to be able to vlog the whole day. And yeah, so shout out to you. Thank you. And then so yeah, I really needed one, so I got this. This is a not too big power bank. It's you can see it's very small, and then you have the cable as well as this thing so that you can attach to here. I hope you enjoyed this mini haul. This is nothing too crazy here, but yeah, just show you what I got. Okay, here is a mini haul of what I got today. So these are 3 hair products. I really needed one because I was running out. So I have been trying to take care of my curly hair. So I have got these two. These 2 are first time buying, and this one is second time. So this one is the Karité hair mask, and then we have got the L'Oréal Paris spray, and then we have the Biphase leave-in conditioning spray. Guys, I just finished filming the haul. As you can see, I have the whiteboard here. I was going to put it there in the corner where I usually put. I just discovered something here. So this is the back of the whiteboard, and sis, you see, no light on the wall, light on the wall. Wow, I had never realized this before. Now I'm going to take that to use it whenever I need light on something. I think they are called reflectors. I don't know, but yeah, I don't have to buy one because I have got a DIY one.